everyone, this is Roxy from Evangel. Today I'm at SANY warehouse in Shanghai and a SANY mixer truck is ready to be shipped. Now let's come with me and take a look. So this is our SY421C mixer truck. Let me start with some important numbers first. About the mixing capacity is about 12 cubic meters and the feeding speed is at least 8 cubic meters per minute and the discharge speed is at least 5 cubic meters per minute. And also about the residual rate below 0.5%. That means almost no concrete stay inside. So what makes this machine even smarter? There are two technologies. The first one is the anti-buildup technology. The shape of the drum is designed to stop the concrete from sticking at the front and the rear. Also, there is a flushing device at the rear to clean out all the dead space. And also the residual rate drops by 0.5%. That's a really advantage. So speaking of the advantages, let's talk about the steering. We add a larger displacement power steering system and that means 40% less more effort for the driver and also the turning circle is 50% smaller. So maneuvering in the tight job sites becomes a lot easier. Now let me introduce you some key features. The water tank is aluminum, lightweight and rust-proof. The cab is spacious and the sleeper berth is comfortable for long shifts. Okay, that's all for today's video and if you are interested, feel free to contact me for a quote. I'm Roxy and thank you for your watching. See you next time.